A Chime transaction dispute starts inside the app by selecting the exact charge and marking it as a problem, instead of contacting the merchant or calling support first. By the end, you'll know where the dispute option is, what information actually matters, and what happens after you submit it. First, open the Chime app and go to your recent transactions. Tap the specific payment you want to dispute so the full transaction details open. The dispute option only appears inside that transaction screen, not from the main account balance page. Once you open it, look for the option that indicates there's an issue with the charge. That is what starts the dispute flow. Picking the correct transaction matters because disputes tied to the wrong entry can get delayed or closed without review. Next, you choose the reason for the dispute. The main categories are usually unauthorized activity, a charge you don't recognize, or a purchase where the product or service was not delivered as expected. The app will ask for a short explanation. Keep it factual and specific, like the merchant name, transaction date, and what went wrong. If you have proof like receipts, order confirmations, or messages with the merchant, upload them in the same step. Clear documentation reduces back and forth because support doesn't need to guess what happened. After you submit, the dispute moves into review status. During this time, the transaction may show as under investigation in your activity list. Depending on the case, funds can sometimes be temporarily credited back while the review is ongoing, but the final outcome always depends on the investigation results. You don't need to submit the dispute again after filing it, because duplicate claims can slow down the process. If the merchant provides proof that the charge is valid, the dispute can be closed in their favor. If the charge is confirmed as unauthorized or incorrect, the adjustment is reversed back into your account. The key factor in both outcomes is the clarity of the evidence provided at the start. Most disputes move faster when the transaction is selected correctly. The reason is precise, and supporting documents are included right away instead of added later. To sum it up, disputes are handled inside the app, they depend on selecting the exact transaction, and they rely heavily on clear proof. The next step is to open your Chime transaction list and check which charges already have the dispute option available so you can act on them immediately.